beautiful white color Mahindra Thar car is there. See the beauty of the white color Mahindra. You can just look like, white color car with a black color grill and with the Parrot screen is the painting we have done in this car. Exterior concept what we have done is a beautiful white color car. They have done a touch-up of painting Parrot green color. You can see a 4 alloys caliber paint. And in the alloy wheel, the name wording Thar. We have done the Parrot green color painting. See the finishing of the quality of the door. And also the grill painting and 7-slot grill without lights we have put. Basically, it looks just amazing look. When I was driving and coming, it's a customer car. When I drove the car, everyone was turning back and saying, yeah, it really looks amazing. And look, you can see UFO light. So one is orange, one is white, one is orange. That looks really kind of a humble look. So this is how one front portion of Mahindra Thar we have made ready. See the beauty of a Mahindra Thar, how they have made ready. This is called a professionalism work. I always say anyone can work, anything can be done. But when it comes to professional, rscarmodifiersales will have a compromise with the professionalism of work. Here itself says, instead of me saying the work becomes easier, how beautifully the modification and a simple work has been done in this car. So when it comes to a side profile, a beautiful feature has been updated. Before the red color, again we have made as a Parrot grey color. So this is how our exterior in the front portion of the UFO light and grill, the painting and the caliber paint and alloy wheel paint tapping. And when it comes to interior, we have done a beautiful seat cover. Again, it is a black color with the Parrot green stitching and complete 70 black color matte. And when it comes to rear, we have put 4x4 Stephanie cover. Again, we have painted as a completely black and 4x4 we have done a beautifully Parrot green. And when it comes to a tail light, we have done a 3D animation type one box tail light. We have put. See the beauty of the tail light. Let's check it inside to see the beauty of the seat cover. See the beauty of the seat cover, completely black color with the perfection with the Parrot green stitching. It looks amazing. And the same color 70 matte, complete black with black color we have put. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video because white Thar Parrot green combination was lovely it was. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch up you guys in the next video. Bye bye.